Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's lecture, I will explain about the three-phase transformer connection, or you can say vector group, or you can say phasor group. So, same thing is there. Phasor group means there will be a phase difference between the high voltage winding and low voltage winding. Okay, so there are total four groups, four phasor groups in which we divide our vector groups. Group 1 is 0 degree, and how many possible connection you can make in 0 degree means there will be no phase difference between the high voltage winding. If high voltage winding is here, low voltage winding is also same phase. So this is in 0 degree. Okay. And DD0 means this is also same, but the connection is, let me tell you what is the meaning of this YD1. Y means your high voltage winding in star connection. Okay. Small d means low voltage winding in delta connection. Okay. So this convention I am using. This one means face of the clock. This is face of the clock. Okay. For example, here 1 is here, 11 is here in the clock, 6 is here. So if HV is here, it is 0 degree. Always HV will be at 0 degree. Facing will be at 0 degree because HV is your reference. So reference is 0 degree only. LV is at 6. That means phase difference is 180 degree. So this is group 2. So in group 2, YY6 and DD6. Group 3 minus 30 degree. In 30 degree, YD1 means star delta 1 and DY1 delta star 1. 1 means lagging. ये 1 पे अगर है आपका फेसिंग, अगर ये 1 पे है यहाँ पर, ये 30 डिग्री एलवी क्या करेगी आपकी एचवी से लैग करेगी. ये जब आप चेक करेंगे and you will check the nameplate of the transformer, so it is written on its nameplate something, its phasor group Y D1 or 11. Okay, it is written, it will be written on the nameplate of the transformer. So you will get to know the this transformer comes under which group. Okay, so this one means group 3. So there will be LV voltage will be 30 degree lagging with the high voltage winding in group 3. So how will be the connection of the transformer? Let me tell you the connection. But before moving towards the connection, there are few assumptions which you have to follow. Then you can connect the windings. Otherwise, you will not get to know. Okay. So actually, in previous lecture, I told you about the three-phase bank of the transformer also. If you have a single quantity of your transformer and its capacity is 3000 kVA, okay, and if you are using 3 unit of single phase transformer with the same capacity, okay, so this is called three-phase bank. Okay, three-phase bank of transformer means there are 3 units are there. Okay, if you are using single single 3000 kVA transformer, single unit. So this is single transformer, and if you are using 3000 kVA transformer, then also you will get something 3000 kVA. Okay, so choice is yours whether you can choose single unit of 3000 kVA transformer, or you can choose 1000 kVA rating 3 unit of single phase transformer, and you can connect accordingly. Okay, so ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में है, अगर आपका एक सिंगल यूनिट को if you are not able to carry transport, so you can transport easily 3 units of 1000 kV transformer. Okay, so this is the advantage of 3-phase bank transformer. Now what are the assumptions to make the connection of different group? So British ruled over us, that's why we follow the British convention for phasor group. So we follow the British convention. Rule number 1, we are using the phase sequence ABC. Phase sequence is ABC. Okay, so this is A, B and C. Phase sequence. Phasor is rotating and in anticlockwise direction. If observer is here, so he will observe A, then B, then C. So phase sequence is ABC, or you can say BCA, or you can say CAB. All are same. Okay. Rule number 2. This HV line A neutral phasor. This is reference phasor, I told you, at 0 o'clock always. Okay, हाई वोल्टेज लाइन का जो फेजर है ए वाला, ए फेज का, ये ऑलवेज कहां पर होगा? 0 डिग्री पर इस तरीके से होगा, ए एन. इट विल बी ऑलवेज लाइक दिस. दिस इज योर रेफरेंस फेजर. नंबर 3, रूल नंबर 3, हाई वोल्टेज लाइन A, B or C, any line, terminal will be from A2. From A2. Next rule, very important rule, because without this rule you can't solve the connection. So rule is VA2, sorry, VA2A1, VA2A1 voltage phasor and VA2A1 voltage phasor are in phase always. LV phasor always follow the HV phasor. Means in high voltage side, if the voltage induced in this direction, for example, in this phase A2, A1, secondary side also, you will get the same phase, same induced voltage in the coil in the same phase. Okay, so this is very important, same phase. If A2, A1 are in this direction, in HV side, this is in HV side, this is LV side. Okay, so LV side also, this A2, A1 will be in same phase. ओके, सो ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो ये आपको अपने दिमाग में रखना ही रखना है। सेम ओरिएंटेशन और सेम फेज ऑफ एलवी, सेम ओरिएंटेशन। ओके, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं नंबर 1 कनेक्शन। दिस इज ग्रुप 0 YY0। ओके, सो कैसे करेंगे आप कनेक्शन? ये आपकी वाइंडिंग है। एक और पॉइंट है आपका अजम्पशंस, वो मैं नेक्स्ट आगे बताने वाला हूँ। डॉट वाला जो पॉइंट है आपका कौन सा है? दिस इज A2 B2 C2। ओके, A1 B1 C1, and you know primary is connected in star, so connected in star you can connect, and this is neutral point. This is the line A, line B terminal, line C terminal. Okay, at HV high voltage side, low voltage side also, अभी मैं कनेक्शन नहीं बनाऊंगा। फर्स्ट आई विल ड्रॉ द फेजर डायग्राम, देन आई विल connect the, I will make the connection. फर्स्ट अभी मैंने कोई कनेक्शन नहीं बनाया, सेकेंडरी साइड लो वोल्टेज साइड अभी मैंने एज इट इज रख दिया। फर्स्ट आई विल ड्रॉ द फेजर डायग्राम। ओके, दिस इज A2 B2 C2 A1 B1 C1। ओके, what is the phase difference between the HV and LV? HV is here always, LV this is also here, because phase difference is 0 degree. Okay, so first let me make the phasor diagram for high voltage side. For HV, you know, this A and N always facing towards 0. Okay, keep in mind. Now phase sequence is ABC, so draw B phase, C phase, and you know this is A2. See here, A1 B1 C1 all are connected at neutral point. Okay, so A2 A1, and this is B2 B1 C2 C1, and this is equipotential point. Okay, capital N. Here voltage is same, that's why you are connecting this phasor here. This is equipotential point. This is the phasor diagram at HV side. This is the phase voltage A2 A1. What about the line voltage? Line voltage means VAB. Line voltage, this is the VAB. This phasor is VAB, line voltage, line to line voltage. Okay, so now draw the phasor diagram for secondary. You know, at secondary side there is no phase difference, so A2 A1 is here at secondary side. A2 A1, same direction, A2 A1. Similarly, B1 B2 B2 B1, similarly C2 C1, and this equipotential point, this is small n. Okay, now you can connect the connection here. Connection is A1 B1 C1 all are connected with neutral point, okay, equipotential point. So this is the phasor diagram and connection for y0, okay. Next is number 2. Number 2 is y6 connection. The phase difference between primary and secondary is, if your primary HV is here, this is neutral point, so LV will be 180 degree out of phase, okay. Let's see. First, you know how to connect for high voltage side star connection. Earlier as you connect, and this is the neutral point, and you know how to draw the phasor also. For A phase, always 0 degree, okay. A2 neutral point, and phase sequences ABC, so B2, C2, B1, C1, A1, okay. This is phasor for high voltage side. Now draw the phasor diagram first for low voltage side, then make the connection. So you know high voltage phasor is here, and this is y6, means LV will be 180 degree out of phase. So this is A phase in this direction. So at LV side, direction will be 180 degree out of phase. This is B in this direction. So B will be in this direction. C in this direction. So here it will be out of 180 degree phase. But the orientation of this phase, this will be same. This A phase, B phase, and C phase. So here now mark the orientation. This A1, A2 is something like this, A1, A2, and this one C1, C2, same orientation, and this is B2, B1, okay. So this is the neutral point. Now you can make the connection. This is C phase, this is A phase, and this is B phase. So at C phase, from where you will get output? From C1 terminal. मैंने आपको बताया कन्वेंशन में ऑलवेज A2 से लेंगे आप, बट कहाँ पे? हाई वोल्टेज साइड. लो वोल्टेज साइड ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज लो वोल्टेज साइड डिपेंड करता है आपका फेजर ग्रुप पे कनेक्शन. तो C1 आप यहाँ पे कनेक्ट करेंगे फेज C1, और P1 पे करेंगे आप B फेज. सो दिस इज B फेज एंड दिस इज A फेज. कनेक्शन कैसे करेंगे आप? ये स्मॉल है एक्चुअली, small a1 a2, small b1 b2, okay. So a2 b2 ये है आपके कनेक्शन. दिस इज न्यूट्रल, ओके. सो यहाँ पे हाई वोल्टेज साइड, these are the input connection, and high voltage side, sorry, low voltage side ABC. So if you like this video, you can subscribe the channel. In next video I will explain the remaining phasor group. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks.